Hey everyone, my name is Penn and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we have an unboxing and a review of the RUIPRO Displayport 2.1 cable. Now, I received two actually, a 10-foot and a 6-foot cable as well. In terms of like the packaging, I only needed one for this video. And one of the things that DisplayPort 2.1 advertise is the ability to reach 80 gigabits per second. So we're talking about 16K at 60 hertz, 8K at 120 hertz, 4K at 240 hertz, 165 hertz, 144, and it supports the HDR, the FreeSync, the G-Sync. If you have a 4090, a 3090 Ti, a 7900 XTX graphics card, then this is an example of a cable that you may want to look when it comes to your setup. Now, they also advertise no frame drop, no lag, and no flicker. And this is a high quality cable by RUIPRO once again that is affordable on the market, but this is marketed towards monitors and not televisions. All right. Now they have a gold plated connection, a zinc alloy shell, and a nylon braid wire, just so you can have that quality control in check. And they also give you a DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable. So essentially they give you like a check to say, hey, you can plug this in and you're guaranteeing you're going to be getting the highest fidelity. Also, the unprecedented 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth, it is advertising that it is 3 times faster than DisplayPort 1.4, which is interesting indeed. And also in this video, you're going to see my setup. I'm using this for my secondary monitor and everything works as expected. All right, so for the final part, I'm going to right click on my desktop and I'm going to go to show more options. I'm on Windows 11 and I'm going to go to the NVIDIA control panel. Now, my secondary monitor does have a DisplayPort, but it's 1440p. Which is this monitor right here, a G-Sync compatible, and it has the Ultra HD and all that resolution. Some PC, the highest it can go was 1440p, but it gives me my refresh rate. Have my options from 60 hertz, 100, 120, 144, which is nice. And yeah, so this DisplayPort cable, this gives me all the options that my monitor allows it to go. So if I had an 8K display, a 16K, things like that, then these resolutions will be listed. Of course, once you have the compatible like graphics card and all that comes into play, right? But you see what I mean here. The cable works well. I haven't seen any flickering. Haven't seen any sort of like blackouts. Picture is about as good as it's going to get on this display. So everything checks out here. And if I also go to display settings, and this is my secondary monitor, I have it in a vertical layout. That's what I prefer at the moment. And if I go to display resolution, as you can see, 1440 by 2560p recommended. And if I go to advanced display, it gives me the desktop mode, active signal. This is an 8-bit def, RGB, HDR, and everything aligns. So overall, I'm satisfied. I wanted to give a thank you and a special shout out to RUIPRO for always showing me love and supplying me now not only high-end HDMI cables, but now DisplayPort cables as well. So that'll come to use. Definitely my future endeavors. All right. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and peace out. Take care.